Hi there. My name is Isaiah, and I am building the app Naru, which is an AI companion to keep you accountable and prioritize your goals in life. So, if you want to try Naru out, what you can do is sign in with Google, or you can go to the sign up page and enter a username and password. I'm just going to sign up with Google on a fresh account. And you can see if you just have a single Google account, it'll just jump right through. And if you have multiple in the same browser, it'll ask you which one you want to use. Pretty standard flow. So, starting out, it's a conversational flow to get started. You don't have to enter a long form or fill a ton out. Basically, you just start telling it our name, and then it'll remember that for the future, just so it knows what to call you. And yeah, basically it is kind of all built around identity-based goals. So really anchoring in the kind of person you want to be, as you can see, as it's saying. So this is my real one. I will say I want to be someone who follows through and finishes what they start. It's important to me to be true and reliable to my past self and continue to prioritize things I started that felt important at the time. I want to be able simply to have good completion of things I begin. Please lock in this goal. And if you want, you can be a little less detailed to start with. It can be more conversational, and yeah, you can really develop it collaboratively with the tool. But in this case, we just got a goal locked in, so we got that started. And really the idea of Naru is that it centers largely around the goals you set, and then from those goals, it branches out into here are the commitments, here are the actionable ways I'm moving towards that goal. So I have an example for me. I just moved and my old apartment is still not empty yet. So I will say I will empty out my old apartment by 8 p.m. on Friday. And again, it's all natural language. You don't have to fill out some complex form to get it to do what you want. And again, if you want to talk with it a little more back and forth before you locked in a commitment, you can always do that. I just want to quickly highlight all the things Naru can do. So we can see, we send this message to it. It says that's clear, gets our commitment created. And its primary intervention right now is it can check in with you via email at the time. And if you're not on the platform, it'll just send you an email and say, hey, can you check in on cleaning out your old apartment? So yeah, now that we've done kind of the core of getting started with Naru, I'll just show a few more features of it, and then I'll wrap this up. So we can see this is your landing screen, your today's screen. You can start new chats. You can start more reflective chats that are less goal-oriented or at least less action-oriented, and just kind of get your thoughts and use it as a sounding board tool. You can go to the goals itself. You can always build new ones, but I think it's great to just start out with a single goal and anchor one or two commitments around that, and you can kind of keep building up from there. And then you can also, of course, see the commitments you made in the past and some filters around those. We only have one right now, but as it builds up, you have these as tooling and sorting order to sort through all the commitments that you're managing, but also celebrate the ones that you've completed already. And finally, for different features we have right now is the Insights tab. There's not a lot here, honestly, so far, but as you can see, Naru basically logs memories of what you've talked about, and you can actually go and manage that over here in the settings. And if you feel uncomfortable with any of the ones, or you feel it misrepresented something, you can always edit those memories, or delete them, or delete all its memories entirely it has so far. So that's Naru. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to try it out, you can go to app.heynaru.com and you can sign up for a free account. Obviously, we're already logged in, so that will not take us back there. And if you just want to read more about Naru in general and why I'm building it, you can just go to the website without the app, just heynaru.com. You can read more. And if you've tried it out for a little, you have feedback, you have questions, you have concerns, really anything, I'd really love to say hi over in the Discord, or you can just get in touch with me however you want to get in touch with me, whether that's a comment on this video or just reaching out directly if you know me firsthand. So yeah, I'd really love to chat about the project. I'm very, very enthusiastic and passionate about the idea of building tools that make achieving your goals and being the person you want to be easier, because I think that everyone deserves to feel centered and proud of who they're becoming. So thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.